So for this tech demo release, everybody, this is meant to be an offline tech demo release. I figured everybody's been watching me work on these weapons. I've been releasing video updates and all that for the weapons, and considering that the netcode and such is done and it'll take a little while for it to get done, I figured I would release at least the weapons and such I've been working on so everybody can play with them. So everything you will have access to, I'm just going to review. You got the shotgun. This is a new feature here that I've worked out. You can use the number keys to switch between weapons. One is bound to shotgun, which of course as you can see. And yeah, you can also hear there is now sound cues. Not only is there the, I'll run away from this guy with the mortar because it's quite loud. Not only do you have the sound cues for when you're charging it up, but you also have a weapon reloaded sound cue. The weapon reloaded sound cue, it plays only when you're not holding down the fire, as if you're going to refire, just to show you. You're not hearing this reload cue, but as soon as I stop, you'll hear the reload cue. It just tells you that the weapon's ready to refire. So 2, I'm just going through, starting at 1, and I'm working my way up the numbers. 2, this is the chakram. It's got new sounds. I like them a bit better. 3 is the grenade launcher. Something else to keep in mind, I'm actually going to have all these numbers on the website as well for where the tech demo gets downloaded. So 4 is the railgun. You may notice from one of the previous videos that the distortion on it has been tweaked down a bit. It was something I was meaning to do anyhow. And then 5, this is the mortar. Something to pay attention to with these weapons, since they all share weapon models. I've done my best to make it to where the models look different, at least appear different. Like you'll see, this is the grenade launcher, and you know how you can see more of the weapon, and then this is the mortar, and you'll know how you really can see only a very small amount. And so that's 5. 6, this is a weapon I have yet to show. It's tentatively called the burper. How this operates is it's similar to the shotgun in that it's a hold to fire and charge up, except there's no spread on this weapon. Each tick noise it's the weapon. I cringe to say loading, but really what it's doing is it's allowing you to shoot 5 more shots. So if you just click fire, it shoots 5. You click and wait, it'll shoot 10. If you click and wait for the second tick, it'll shoot 15. Something I just wanted to mess with. That is 6. 7 is the rocket launcher. And in the future, these will all be bindable, but there's no setting for it. And 8 is Raiden, except Raiden's not complete, so it actually is going to be disabled for this build. As you can hear, though, the sounds, you can hear them over quite a bit of distance now, which is actually quite good. But anyhow, that's really it for this video, and there's also updated source code will be coming along with this as well. As for plans for what's going to happen after this update, I plan on working on the netcode. There will also be some tweaks to the movement code, or will likely be tweaks. I'm experimenting with things. And I'm also working on implementing a simple settings menu. The first version, my primary goal is I want players to be able to set their resolution and choose between window and full screen. And then I also want to allow players to set their sound, because I know how annoying it is to start up the game and have it always be at max volume. I'm sure many eardrums have almost been blown out because of it. And then the other thing I'm hoping to add is a one-click join server button as something of an interim, since the server browser doesn't work. But anyhow, those are the plans for the future. I expect the tech demo to be out here probably later today, if not, then definitely tomorrow. And the source code should follow shortly afterwards. So, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, you can of course post them on the YouTube comments page or in the game forums. So, have fun with the tech demo once it's out.